Hello my YouTube fans, welcome to Selvin and Family Kitchen with another cooking video, and today we're gonna cook chicken soup Jamaican style. Right over here we have some pumpkin, potato. I like to use this red potato because it don't break up like the normal potato. I have one finger of green banana. We have one chocho. Chocho is a form of vegetable. 3 sticks of garlic, cocoa yam, white yam, a stick of spring onion, put a straw of thyme, chili pepper, but don't make it chili pepper burst in the pot. You just want to put it in to boil to give it the flavor. We have the cornmeal to put in the flour. This is the flour right over here, so when I'm going to make the flour, I'm going to show you guys how much cornmeal I'm going to put in the flour. And we have the chicken right there. And when you're cooking soup, Jamaican style, you have to have cat noodle or chicken noodle. Right now I'm using cat noodle. So I will see you guys in a bit. So my YouTube fan, Marisha just washing the pumpkin and the potato and the chocho. Doing a good job, Marissa.
Helping you wash that. It's my first time washing. This is my first time washing food myself. It's my first time.
It's the first time you're washing food by yourself.
Yeah.
It must be your first, isn't it, Marissa?
Yeah. First time.
So you always want to be in the kitchen to help Daddy and Mommy.
Yeah.
So that is your job.
That's my job.
You love it?
Yep. It feels like washing the plate.
You like washing the plate?
Yeah.
But you never washed plate before.
And then finish that.
So right now we have the chicken boiling. I will just put in the chocho and the pumpkin because I want the pumpkin to boil out in it to give it that color, a beautiful color we're looking for. And we have the flour over here, so I'm gonna just put in a little bit of cornmeal in the flour, not too much, not too much. Get some salt. Then we're just gonna whisk it around like that. So you have to make that cornmeal and the flour, everything was mixed up in one. No, you don't do it. Run it like a ball.
I'm just making it like this.
Yeah.
Just doing these things. These ones.
How much you make already, Marissa?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Alright, we need some small one. So this one, we ain't gonna use this one. This one will make too much. So that one can go to there. So you use the small ones. So then you're gonna pinch them off for you, then you roll them up. So all of these ones will be small ones. So then all for you. All for you. We call them spinach.
I'm making small ones now. because we didn't make small ones forever.
So you roll them up like that, and daddy will. Do like that.
I just doing different ones, Daddy.
Doing a different one.
Yeah. Like we go out to different place.
Okay. How much you done? Wow, Martha, good job. Okay.
Then you do this one, I do this one.
One for me, one for you.
And I can do the last one.
Okay. Good job, Marissa.
Now can you
No, we don't want no more of that one. I want you to do one more.
bake so much?
So,
They look like worms.
Marissa said the spinach look like worm. So we're gonna put them in a pot now, but you have to stay away from the fire, okay? So I don't want the fire to burn you. So now people, and those put in Jamaica we call it dumpling. So just drop them in a pot now, let them cook. Just roll them up like that in your hand, like a circle. Use your big finger. Voila. Let's start over. This one in Jamaica we call it spinach. People can put them in stew peas, we put them in soup. This one my daughter make. My daughter make these one. They look like worm. It's just green banana. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slice it up like that and drop it right in the pot. A lot of people maybe wonder why I'm using the skin of the banana, but when I was growing up, I always see my mom, my uncle, and my brother them when they cooking soup, or sometimes you go to some party in Jamaica, they cook the banana with the skin, they cook soup with it. Now we put in our potato. Yam. Cocoyam. Give it a stir. Let that cook for around 10 minutes more. And I'll see you guys in 5 minutes. Welcome back, people. It's coming up nicely. It's chicken soup. Now we have some pimento. A lot of people put them in whole, but I like to crush them. Just a couple. Need a teaspoon. Have your time. Guys, this is always it when it finished, all done. So it's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna enjoy this soup. I'm telling you, I can't wait to taste it. And subscribe to my channel. I hope you share the video and a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.